Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a stew vegetable with a baby chicken or japchae. All the vegetable we use today, you don't have to use something like this. You can use vegetable you have in the fridge. Okay, first we use the muli, celery, green cabbage, Chinese leaf, green pak choy, mushroom shiitake. We use dry and you soak in the warm water about half an hour and crush the garlic, light soy sauce, Green Mountain sauce, chicken, and I forgot carrot. Yeah, that's it, all the ingredients we use, and then we stew all this one together. But now we chop the vegetable. First the green pak choy. Okay, we cut the head off. Chinese leaf, you slice like this and easy to cook. And then the green cabbage. You slice in big pieces. Carrot. If you don't like, you no need to put the carrot. And white turnip is the big piece. You can cut into half. I think this one too big for the soup. ขอบใจ and Chinese celery, and shiitake mushroom you can slice into the smaller piece. And now chicken we can cut into the small piece, but not too small, not too big. You don't need to put the meat. Yeah, depend. If you put meat, you get more tasty, or you can use pork or anything. But I use chicken. Okay, the vegetable all wash. Yeah, now we start to cook. Okay, we put the cooking oil. We fry the crushed garlic. I like this one when winter. Yeah, winter, you know, this white turnip. Yeah, the muli is good for your health. All vegetable
Oh, this why you want to make this hand for bun because bun makes supplies.
Yes, you are right.
Number one.
All right. Garlic start getting turned to yellow, and then you put chicken. When the garlic turn to yellow, you put the chicken, you fry it. Okay, you can see the chicken, the color turn to yellow, brown, yeah. Golden brown.
Golden brown. The egg 5 minutes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, turn to golden brown. Okay, then you put the shiitake mushroom. But don't forget to soak. It's not too hard.
That's what I just said. I was going to ask you. This one you have to rehydrate it. Right?
Yeah. Add a little bit of water.
This one you cook for how long?
This one depends. If you like very soft vegetable, you can cook 45 or hour. But for me, 15 or half an hour maximum. That's it. Because I like crunchy vegetable. Okay, you fry it about 5 or 10 minutes, and then after that you start to put all the vegetable in here. But all my friend call, yeah, the one who came here with the 2 daughters, yeah, she asked me when they go to Thailand. I said, I think after next week. Oh, how's your mom?
Oh, when is this? Today?
This morning.
Oh, what did you say?
Oh, she just passed away. Oh, sorry. Yeah, she want to keep the money. Yeah, I said no, we don't accept. And the juice come out from the vegetable. And we can add a bit of water. Okay, now we put light soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and then we can adjust later. Maybe not enough, I make it full. And 2 tablespoons of golden mountain. A little bit of dark soy sauce. More tasty after we boil. Because we just leave it like this for half an hour, enough, yeah. Okay, I think should be okay. The vegetable, you ma taste it ma. After everything cook. Okay, a bit more. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we put another 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Yeah, perfect taste. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, done. Ready to serve. Okay, now put a little bit white pepper. Okay, now is the how our chap chai look like, or stew vegetable. Let me taste. Ui, it's hot. Yeah, very very good. Yeah, good for breakfast in the morning.